Alright, here's our, how many hours since we've been here? Yeah. We've been here for 2 hours and I'm aching all over here.
We're gonna go get some birds.
We want some bears. I want some bears. Mikey, are you tired, Mikey?
No.
He's about to go rob a convenience store. Look at him.
Hey, which bank do you want to go rob? Huh? Which one?
Oh my God.
Oh.
But see, they said they're gonna come get us though.
Yeah, they said.
You know what? F them. We gonna go ourselves.
Ask them.
Ian knows where to go, right? Take that.
Yeah, just take the gondola up to. Just take the gondola down to 7 or up to 7, whatever.
Meet you